Poppy people, I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be unboxing some new gel polishes that I got in. I got these from Amazon and they are from the brand Kastiny. I can't remember how much I paid for these. I got these for an amazing deal. I paid $6.99 for these, so $7, and I got 6 gel polishes plus a base, matte, and top coat. So let me go ahead and get this unboxed. I believe this is their green collection. So I'll take a moment for the packaging here. It is very cute and very festive. It is giving Beatles vibes, but yeah, this looks really nice. It says Kastiny Perfect 6+3, enjoy your style. And on the side, it has the company name. Over here, it just has information about the gel polishes. And on the back, it has the ingredients here. Okay, so let's see. Alrighty, so this is how it comes packaged. It's packaged quite nicely, if I do say so myself. It does have here a user manual, so you'll want to go through and read the manual just to make sure you know the proper way to apply and remove your gel polishes. And so yeah, let's get into the colors here. I love how they have this packaged. Alrighty, so I am going to show, so these are the colors that came in the kit. Like I said, it's the green/blue collection. I'll put those off to the side here. I'll show them individually shortly here. But this is their base, glossy, and matte top coat. So I'm gonna go ahead and just open it for you guys, show you what it's looking like. So this is the base coat here. Very nice. Looks like it's of a thinner viscosity. Okay. And it does has like a gluey kind of smell to it, but that's the base coat. Then we have the glossy top coat. I've actually used this glossy top coat before and I enjoy it. I like it a lot. So yeah, it's a little bit of a thicker consistency. It's a medium viscosity and I like it a lot. So that's the top coat. And then we have the matte top coat, and that's what that looks like. This is also a similar viscosity as the top coat. And yeah, it looks good. I feel like with the top coat, it had a strong smell to it. I'm not smelling it right now. Oh yeah, it does. Okay, so the top coat, it does have a little bit of a strong smell to it, but nothing too crazy. And yeah, you guys, just a moment for the packaging here. This definitely puts me in the mind of Beatles gel polishes. It almost looks spot on, just like Beatles polishes. And these are the 7.5 ml bottles. So yeah, let's get into these colors. We have B133. Oh, nice. This is a beautiful white color. Very nice. Yeah, the consistency is very nice. It's smooth, it's creamy, medium viscosity. Definitely reminds me of Beatles gel polishes, for sure. 134. Ooh, this here is a really beautiful muted light blue color. That's really nice. B135. Oh, nice. So this is also a beautiful muted light blue, but it has more so green undertones to it. B136. Ooh, this is nice. This is a really nice green. It kind of leans a little bit olive. It's really pretty. I feel like this color looked really nice matte. B137. Ooh, this is a really nice kind of forest green color. This would be perfect for nail art if you want to draw grass or something like that, or trees. B138. Ooh, look at that. This is a really beautiful emerald green color with some beautiful green glitters in it. I absolutely love this green. Okay. All right, y'all, let's get the swatching. B133. Oh, very nice. Yeah, it's a really nice polish here. Good coverage, nice opacity, very smooth and creamy. And it looks pretty good with one coat of coverage. B314. Very pretty. Yeah, these are very easy to work with. It's definitely giving me Beatles vibes for sure. These remind me a lot of my Beatles gel polishes, which is amazing because these are also the same affordable price. So I like that. Look at that. One coat coverage, self levels beautifully. B135. Very nice. It's a really pretty color. I like this blue. Yeah, the opacity is really nice. You guys see, this is one coat of coverage with these polishes. B136. Ooh, that's a nice green. It's very pretty. Very, very nice. B137. That's a nice green. This one's a little bit more translucent than I thought it would be. But I think with two coats of coverage, it's going to look really nice. You see, you can kind of still see through it a little bit. It's a little bit more translucent than I thought, but still a nice green. Very, very pretty.
Hello,
Hi, Yara. Hi, sweetie.
Hi.
Hi.
It's me nails.
Yeah, I'm doing nails.
Ooh, it's a hat.
Mm-hmm. No, don't touch that. No, leave it alone.
Okay. I just need nails.
138.
No more.
138. Ooh, this is pretty. This kind of has a jelly feel to it as well, but this is a really beautiful green glitter. Alrighty, so this is what all the colors are looking like swatched out with 2 coats of polish and a top coat. So let's go ahead and take it up close of how they look. B133, and it's a really beautiful white color. B134, which is a really nice muted light blue. B135, which is a gorgeous teal, like a muted teal blue. B136, which is a lovely kind of slightly olive green. B137, which is a nice forest green. I feel like it'd be really good for nail art. B138, which is this absolutely stunning green glitter, and it looks like it has a very slight green glitter. It looks like it has slight glitter flakes that shift from green to blue, and it is a little bit translucent. I went in with 3 coats of this, so this is something that you'll definitely want to try to build up the opacity for if you want to use, but also a really great topper since it is kind of jelly for a green base. So I did also want to try the matte top coat from Kastiny really quick. I want to see how that performs because I think this green would look really nice matte. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that really quick.
Money orange juice.
Okay, baby, we'll do orange juice.
Money orange juice.
Okay, Yara, we'll eat orange juice. Drink orange juice. Go sit down. Now bring.
Milk.
You want milk?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, we'll go drink milk.
One milk, please.
Huh?
One milk.
What do you need?
Milk.
You want milk? Okay, I'll fix you some milk.
I want milk.
Okay, I'm gonna go get it right now. Hold on,
I
baby.
want milk. I need milk, Mom.
Okay, Yara. Alrighty, so this is what that matte top coat is looking like. It's really nice. I think it's a good matte. This is a really beautiful collection, especially for those who love blue and who love green. At the price point of $6.99, it's 6 polishes plus a base.
Hi.
Matte and top coat is a great deal. It's really a steal. Sometimes you can get just the base and top coat for $6.99 or $10 alone. So to get a whole kit plus these 3 included, I mean, it's a steal. A bang for your buck for sure. So yeah, let me know if you all have any experience with the Kastiny gel polishes, if you've tried them before and how you like them. They really do put me in the mind of Beetles, and so it's nice to have another affordable, high quality brand that I could shop on Amazon. And I do think now these are being offered on Temu, if I'm not mistaken, and maybe even Shein. But yeah, I do like the brand and I would recommend them. So yeah, hope you all enjoyed the video. Let me know what your favorite color is. I think mine is definitely this glitter green. It's so pretty, and this green right here. I do upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. If you all like what you saw here, definitely stick around, join the happy family. I'd love to have you. And as always, you guys, leave some love in the comments down below, and I'll see you in my next video. I hope y'all have a wonderful, awesome, spectacular day. Bye.